everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my messy kitchen. And today I have this little device here. We're going to give this thing a try, and what it's supposed to do is go around the sink and keep it from getting all gooped up and whatnot. So let's give this thing a try and see how it looks. I'm going to try to set you all up so you can see what I'm doing here. So there, that kind of shows a little bit of it. So we'll open it up. This is by Fredi. And this is what it looks like here. You see it's got the little place for the faucet to go. So I am going to stick it on there, right, like that. And that is how it goes. So there you can kind of see it there. So what happens now is if I get water and whatever on there, it drips back off. And so it'll keep it kind of clean around it. So kind of a cool concept. Don't know why I got black. I think they sold white ones in other colors too. So probably white would have been a little nicer looking here. Although I guess when you look around my kitchen, my appliances and stuff have black things on them as well. So whatever for the color. But that's about it. So this is kind of cool. It's the Fredi, and thumbs up from me. I like it. I'm going to put a link to it down in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.